Hey everyone, this is Eric back with another property. This is a 4 bedroom, 1 bath home here at 3617 Old York Road. As you can see, it's an end of the unit townhome, quiet street. As you walk in, as you can see, hardwood floors, fresh paint. This home does have central heating and cooling. As we take a look and we walk into the kitchen, as you can see, refrigerator does have a dishwasher as well. Very clean home. As you saw, the refrigerator can be moved. It can be moved right back here into the pantry area to make more space in your kitchen. All right, let's take a look outside. As you can see, nice little porch, fenced in backyard. Take a look downstairs in the basement real quick. You can see real dry for storage. You have your washer and dryer. As we make our way upstairs to take a look at the 4 bedrooms, brand new carpet, new paint. As I mentioned before, central heating and cooling. You come take a look at our bathroom, very clean. Uh, Give us a call today, 443-380-0075, or visit us at www.yeswerenthouses.com.